Over the past few years, I've embarked on a colorful journey in the world of self-learning. One thing you might not know about me is that I have a profound passion for learning. I'm drawn to a myriad of subjects such as philosophy, psychology, history, and business, as well as skills like programming, game development, and animation. However, despite this love, my self-learning endeavors have often faced challenges. I've struggled to find suitable learning resources, create effective learning paths, know what to study and when to review, and maintain a consistent study schedule. Through the long months, this battle seemed endless. But everything changed just a few months ago when I discovered a life-saving tool, ChatGPT. It was like an intervention from above, completely transforming my self-learning experience in ways I couldn't have imagined before. In just a few months, I've overcome significant hurdles in the subjects and skills I've always wanted to learn, all thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. In this video, I'm thrilled to share with you how I've leveraged artificial intelligence to accelerate my self-learning journey. I'll introduce you to specific methods I've used to finally master any skill or subject I desire. Whether you're struggling with self-learning like I once did, or simply want to enhance your learning process, this video will provide you with deep insights and essential tools for success. Let's explore and discover how artificial intelligence can revolutionize the way you learn. Let me kick things off by sharing a game-changing strategy that has revolutionized my journey of self-education, the Pareto principle. Now, if you're unfamiliar with this gem, let me break it down for you. The Pareto principle essentially suggests that 80% of the results come from just 20% of the efforts. Now let's put this into perspective. Imagine you're diving into the world of mastering a new programming language. You've got a laundry list of 10 different topics to tackle. According to the Pareto principle, it's highly probable that only 2 of these topics hold the key to unlocking a whopping 80% of the language's practical applications. So, instead of spreading yourself thin and trying to tackle all 10 topics at once, it's far more strategic to focus the lion's share of your efforts on those crucial 2. So, here's where AI swoops in to save the day. I simply task it with creating a targeted learning plan for me, honing in on the essentials using the Pareto principle as our guide. And presto, the AI delivers a tailored roadmap that covers the vital 20% of the topic, guaranteeing a whopping 80% of the desired outcomes. It's like having a personal learning strategist at your beck and call, paving the way for efficient and effective learning journeys. Once I've pinpointed exactly what I need to learn, the next crucial step is crafting a study schedule to carve out dedicated time for each topic. But instead of grappling with the daunting task of scheduling on my own, I entrust this responsibility to my reliable companion, ChatGPT. With a simple prompt, I beckon ChatGPT to orchestrate a meticulously tailored study schedule, mapping out every intricate detail of my learning journey within a specified time frame. I divulge the days I'm available to hit the books and specify the hours I can dedicate to each session. Not to mention, I also make sure to allocate time for vital activities like revision and testing. And just like that, in the blink of an eye, my AI ally conjures up a comprehensive study schedule that's ready to be implemented with immediate effect. It's like having a personal time management wizard at my beck and call, ensuring every precious minute is utilized to its fullest potential. Once all the groundwork is laid, the next crucial step is to equip myself with the arsenal of resources needed to delve deep into the topics recommended by my AI companion. Armed with a simple prompt, I summon ChatGPT to curate a treasure trove of learning materials tailored to my specific needs. Using a prompt like suggest various learning resources like videos, books, podcasts, and interactive exercises for specific topic that cater to different learning styles, I unleash the power of AI to scour the digital landscape and unearth a plethora of resources perfectly suited to my preferences. What's truly remarkable is the level of customization I can achieve. Whether I'm on the hunt for free resources or willing to invest in premium content, ChatGPT caters to my every whim. I can specify my preferred learning style, be it visual, auditory, or hands-on, and watch as the AI conjures up a curated list of resources tailored to my unique preferences. This not only saves me countless hours of tedious manual searching, but also ensures that every resource I encounter aligns seamlessly with my learning journey. With ChatGPT as my guide, I embark on a learning adventure equipped with a personalized arsenal of knowledge at my fingertips. Unlocking the creative potential of AI in my learning journey has been nothing short of exhilarating. Let me paint a vivid picture of how I harness its power to breathe life into captivating project ideas. Imagine this. You're a newcomer to the world of game development, itching to dive into Unity and master the art of coding in C Hour. The burning question on your mind: where do you begin? That's where the magic of AI comes into play. With a few taps of the keyboard, I summon my AI companion, igniting a spark of ingenuity with a straightforward prompt. As a novice in the world of culinary arts, I hunger for beginner-friendly recipes to sharpen my cooking skills. Any delectable ideas to tantalize my taste buds? In an instant, the AI leaps into action, crafting a culinary repertoire brimming with mouth-watering dishes perfectly suited to my culinary prowess and Epicurean dreams. Picture it, a universe of possibilities at my fingertips. From crafting simple arcade games to delving into immersive storytelling experiences. Each project idea is a beacon of inspiration, guiding me on a journey of discovery and hands-on learning. This approach isn't just about ticking off boxes on a to-do list. It's about immersing myself in the world of game development, applying theoretical knowledge in a practical, tangible way. With AI as my creative muse, every project becomes a canvas for innovation, a playground for experimentation, and a testament to the boundless possibilities of self-directed learning. So the next time you find yourself yearning for a spark of inspiration, don't hesitate to enlist the help of AI. Together, we can transform aspirations into achievements, one project at a time. As I dive into my projects, I often find myself grappling with perplexing hurdles. Whether it's deciphering complex concepts or unraveling seemingly simple queries, I'm no stranger to the occasional head-scratcher. But fear not, for in my quest for clarity, I turn to my trusty ally, ChatGPT. With ChatGPT by my side, there's no judgment for asking even the most basic of questions. Its patience knows no bounds, tirelessly guiding me through the labyrinth of knowledge with unwavering support. Now, let me unveil the arsenal of techniques I employ to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, or at least my current project. First up, we have the Feynman technique. Picture this. I beckon ChatGPT and implore it to break down complex topics into bite-sized, kindergarten-friendly chunks. Explain it like I'm 5, I might jest, and like a seasoned educator, ChatGPT delivers, transforming intricate concepts into digestible nuggets of wisdom. Next, we venture into the realm of mental models and analogies. With a simple prompt, I coax ChatGPT into weaving intricate tapestries of metaphorical brilliance, illuminating the darkest corners of my mind with vivid imagery and relatable comparisons. And let's not forget the power of visualization exercises. I call upon ChatGPT to whisk me away on a journey of imagination, painting vivid scenarios where abstract concepts spring to life before my very eyes. From navigating forks in the road to weighing the opportunity cost of my decisions, ChatGPT transforms textbook theories into real-world adventures. With these techniques at my disposal, the learning process becomes a thrilling odyssey, brimming with discovery and enlightenment. And with ChatGPT as my steadfast companion, there's no hurdle too daunting, no question too trivial. Together, we forge ahead, unraveling the mysteries of the universe one query at a time. In my quest for continuous self-improvement, I've stumbled upon a remarkable tool that elevates my critical thinking to new heights: the Socratic method. This age-old technique, championed by the great philosopher Socrates himself, serves as a beacon of enlightenment in my journey towards sharpening my logic and reasoning skills. Here's how I harness the power of AI to channel the spirit of Socrates. Step 1. I present a statement or opinion to the AI, laying bare the foundation of my thoughts. Step 2. Like an inquisitive sage, The AI responds with probing, open-ended questions designed to challenge the very fabric of my argument. Step 3. I engage in a spirited exchange of ideas, offering my insights and perspectives in response to the AI's relentless interrogation. Step 4. In a display of unparalleled wisdom, the AI provides constructive feedback on my responses, guiding me towards a deeper understanding of my own reasoning. Step 5. The dialogue continues, with each question and response serving as a stepping stone towards enlightenment, as I navigate the intricate labyrinth of my own thoughts. This method uncovers flaws in reasoning and embraces self-discovery and intellectual growth. The Socratic method helps me gain clarity and insight. Join me in pursuing truth and wisdom, unlocking our mind's potential one question at a time. Since YouTube promotes highly engaging videos, please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to our channel for updates on new content.